sponge kisses, everyone loves these. I remember making them as a child and we used to call them powder puffs back then. So I started making them at work just recently and everyone has said the same thing, they are delicious. The recipe only uses 4 ingredients and takes about 7 minutes to whip up and between 6 to 7 minutes in the oven. If you want to elevate these to the next level, I've included a really simple recipe for refrigerator blueberry jam. I really hope you try this recipe because I bet it's one you'll make again and again, and it's brilliant for those unexpected visitors that pop in. And this is how I do it. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, no fan, or 180 with a fan. You'll need 2 room temperature eggs. If you want to bring them to room temperature quickly, just pop them into a bowl of warm tap water for a couple of minutes. Sift 3 ounces, which is 85 grams, of self-raising flour into a bowl and set aside. If you don't have self-raising flour, just use the same quantity of plain flour plus 1 teaspoon of baking powder. If you have a stand mixer, I recommend using that instead of a hand mixer. Both work well, but we need to beat the mixture for quite a while. Crack the 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk on high speed for about 2 minutes. This will make the eggs creamy. Then add 3 ounces, which is 85 grams of caster sugar, and beat at a high speed for another 5 minutes or until the mixture thickens considerably. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and sift the flour over the top of the mixture so it's been sifted twice in total. Gently fold it all together with a spatula, which will help keep the mixture light and fluffy. Line a baking tray with paper and sprinkle a little flour over the paper to help with removing the kisses. You'll need to work in batches, 1 tray at a time, but they cook really quickly. You can make these any size you like, but I generally use about a tablespoon of the mixture for each kiss. And don't worry if they don't look perfect, they'll mostly correct themselves in the oven. Just remember to leave room for spreading as they spread a lot. Place them in the preheated oven for between 6 to 7 minutes or until they have puffed up and show some colour. Remove from the oven and repeat with the next batch. Don't be tempted to stir the mixture, just take spoonfuls from the top. This ensures that the kisses stay lovely and light. And while they cook, whip some cream. You could flavour it with a little vanilla extract and icing sugar, but I prefer to keep it unflavoured since the jam adds enough sweetness. Spread some jam on the bottom of 1 sponge kiss, then dollop on some whipped cream and top it with another sponge kiss. They look so pretty dusted with little icing sugar on top. Now for the refrigerator blueberry jam. And you can use any berries you like, but I like using the frozen blueberries because they hold their shape well and they pop in your mouth when you eat them. Take 2 cups, about 300 grams of frozen blueberries and place them in a small saucepan over a medium-low heat. Add icing sugar to taste. I usually add about 1/3 cupful for sweetness. Stir gently and slowly bring it to a boil, stirring occasionally. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, then make a quick corn flour slurry with about 1 teaspoon of corn flour and a little water. Slowly drizzle this into the pot and it will thicken almost instantly. If it becomes too thick, just add a little water to the pot. This jam will also thicken when it cools. It will keep for up to 2 weeks in your refrigerator. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you again soon.